Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two CRM tools platform, which is Salesforce and Salesmate. So let's really dive into it. So talking about Salesforce, Salesforce is a powerhouse option, extremely customizable, packed with automation and built for teams that want deep analytics and advanced workflow. It's perfect if you are running a fast-growing and enterprise level business that need everything in one place. The downside is it's expensive, harder to set up, and can feel overwhelming if you just need a simple CRM. And talking about Salesmate, on the other hand, is lighter, more affordable choice, offering built-in calling, SMS, email sequence, and an easy interface that's ideal for small and mid-sized sales teams. It's quick to use, great for outreach, and far cheaper than Salesforce, but it doesn't have the same customization power or complex automation, so it may feel limited as your business scales. Overall, choose Salesforce if you need enterprise strength, or choose Salesmate if you want simplicity, speed, and better pricing. And that's it. I find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. You're welcome.